Hello, hello. This is Costas, and I'm gonna show you how you can use this great web app to post to any of your social media with just a few clicks. Okay, you can even schedule your posts. You can easily create content if you want to create content with this platform, and you can get ideas what exactly you're gonna post. To this scenario that I'm gonna show you today, I'll be showing something very simple. You got a business and you want just to promote the one product to multiple social media. Okay, one way is to move to each one of those social media and create a different post. So let's go on, and I'm gonna show you right away inside the platform what Viral Dashboard does. Okay, I'm gonna first log in to the platform, and as you're gonna see here, I have created different accounts for all of those social media, and I'm gonna move to Infogate Technologies because to this video I'm gonna create a post about that it belongs to Infogate Technologies. Okay. Uh, you see, we got the designer that we can create any kind of post. We have the manager, and we can even connect our ecom with the platform and be able to create scheduled posts. Okay, let's move on, and I'm gonna come here. You see, this is the automation, and I can create a new automation. I can easily create any of those automations. Okay, you see, some of those need an upgrade, like eBay. You can automatically post using eBay. You can use WordPress, blog, social media. You see, I got some of those. They're really interesting because they're triggering the the post, and they just automatically post my blog posts to the social media. Okay, let's go to the content manager, and I'm gonna click combos over here. As you're gonna see, the platform is straight away. It's very easy to navigate. Over here, I'm gonna just write my post. I just need to advertise uh, a UPS over here. I'm gonna just copy and paste the description straight from my eShop here. I'm gonna just copy everything. Sorry, and I'm gonna paste over here. And the last thing I'm gonna do is just to add my link, and I'm gonna write here. Uh, it's in fact the message. It means uh, you can buy it over here. Okay, and I'm gonna just add my link where the product belongs. Okay, so I got just one post with this product. I need a picture so that all of my posts are gonna have one particular picture. So I'm gonna go straight away um, to images over here, and I can select one of those images. I can even go to uploads and upload my own image. I'm gonna just drag and drop the image straight away from the shop, and as you can see, in seconds I just got the image from the shop here. So if I click now to load the images, you see, if I click load images, you're gonna see that my image is over here. So I can click it and it's gonna be added to my post. I can even add more photos from my shop, but I just wanted to show you that I need just to create a post. Okay, this looks duplicate. I don't need duplicate titles. I'm gonna just click next, and that was all. I got already my post, so I'm not gonna navigate to all those pages from Facebook. I'm not navigating to all those Instagram business accounts, to Twitter accounts, to LinkedIn account, to LinkedIn organization, or anything. And I'm gonna just come here and click. I'm gonna post it to Hot Deal, to Messivria over here. Over here, I'm gonna select even this one, Infogate Technologies. That's the main one. I'm gonna select even the Info Home or the Fly up here, and I'm done from those pages. Now I'm gonna move to Instagram business account, and I'm gonna select Infogate Technologies. And to Twitter, I'm gonna select Infogate Shop over here. To LinkedIn account, I can select my own LinkedIn account, and you see I got even the organization, so I can select even Infogate Technologies over here and not my personal account. I can post to Google account, so I can push it to Infogate Technologies over here, and I'm gonna select the Infogate Quality Products to pinned interest. So that was all, and I got everything selected, and I'm ready to move on and post this about the UPS of the post. Here, as I'm here, I have some warnings that I need to make my description shorter so that it's gonna be visible to, you see over here, character limit, it's 2000. So in fact, it's recommending to delete some of those uh, because I added a very big description, to delete the rest of it, or it's gonna be trimmed. So the best thing to do for this thing is to leave it to trim, but not to avoid losing my link from the post. It's better just to grab the link and drop it somewhere over here. Okay, so on that way you're not gonna lose your link, and even if the post is gonna be trimmed, it's gonna end with a link inside, so that anyone that wants to buy the product is gonna be able to buy it. You see over here it's the Twitter, and as you can see it's gonna be trimmed. You see over here I got to Suko over here, and even this one is gonna be trimmed. You see Google GMB, it's gonna be trimmed too, because it's explaining that according to the network, it has some limitation. I don't have to care about that. I just need to save time, so I'm gonna just click next, and okay, over here it's just a warning about all these limitations. I'm gonna click continue, and over here you can see that I can schedule my post for any time I want. You see, but if I want, I can just click publish post, and my post is gonna be straight away scheduled. You see, is added to the queue, and it will be published in a few seconds. That's all with ViralDashboard. In fact, that's not all, because it has amazing opportunities, and you can do a lot of things with this web app. The most important tool is that you can schedule a lot of posts and fill a whole week or a whole month with scheduled posts. So you're gonna have all those posts ready and scheduled for all the upcoming month, and you can just continue what you're doing, and this is gonna be working here like your social manager. Okay. You can even create content. You see, it's the designer here, and you can create content. It there is there are amazing templates. You see, you can create amazing stuff over here. You can use with edit with designer. Uh, you got the automation that I told you before, and as you can see, I got already some automations that they grab the feeds and they push posts to my social media, and it's really amazing. You see, I just selected when this automation could stop, because it's gonna post until 2040. You know, when I add a new article, it's gonna be posted to all my social media. There are so many monitoring and analytics, many options that you're gonna love using to this amazing platform. But trust me, the most important is to be able to schedule your content and let it go straight where you want, straight to your social media, and the time that you want and you think that it's better. Thank you very much for watching one of my videos, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit this like button, and don't forget to click even this bell, so that you can get an update every time that I upload one more video about AI tools or any kind of those amazing web app platforms that trust me, they give a lot of value, and they save you the most important thing in your life. Okay, time. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.